Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome back to the channel. If you are an existing subscriber, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. In this video, we're going to be talking about myEcon and specifically the myEcon credit repair system, which is one of the cornerstones of the myEcon products and services that are offered. So I wanted to do a quick video and a quick deep dive to show you the myEcon credit system. Plain and simple, credit repair is a multi-million dollar business here in the United States. And if you have bad or even fair credit and you want to get your credit to good or even great, then you can do that with myEcon. And the best part is you can do this getting started for as little as $20 to walk in the door and get access to the ability to fix your credit once and for all. And I got to be honest with you, I did this back many years ago when I got started with myEcon. And at the time, my credit was literally in the toilet. I had about a 500 and something credit score. And now with the process and the help of myEcon, I went through this and I now have my credit all the way up to an 800 plus credit score. So it can be done, my friend. You just need to go through the process. So what I want to do is I want to walk you through this simple process here inside of myEcon. So what I'm going to do here is just show you once you become a member, and you can do that by hitting the link in the description down below. Obviously, you can get more information about me and our team. And if you have any questions at all, my number is right at the top of this video. You can send me a text message and ask me anything. But once you're actually in your myEcon members area, you see this little carousel of products and services that they have, and you're going to click on My Credit System, and that's going to take you right on over here to the actual credit system. Now, what you got to realize is how simple this process really is. When people think about credit repair, if you have bad credit, if you have, certain liens and whatever, and things on your credit report that are affecting you in a negative way, this is the easiest, most simplest way that you could do this yourself without having to pay some sort of third party hundreds or even thousands of dollars. I've actually worked with credit repair specialists over the years in other businesses, and they literally charge over $1,000 to go do this for you when you could literally do this for 20 freaking dollars just getting your foot in the door. So if you're thinking about this, don't even hesitate any longer. Link in the description down below. Get yourself started today and start this process today so you could repair your credit, my friend, because credit is king. And I'm literally like working with some of our team members right now, and they're telling me how they're living in low income housing and, dealing with, all of the issues that come along with that. And they're there because of their bad credit. So for you, my friend, you owe it to yourself to have good credit so you can be in good standing when you go to do things for yourself and your family. So how the credit system works is this. I'm going to take you through these steps, and you got to realize, like, you could start this process and you could be on your way today. It does not take a long time. You can see here that the total training is 24 minutes long. Anyone else that tells you otherwise, that, you got to spend hours and hours, going through and watching videos and learning how to figure this stuff out. No, it's actually really simple. And the best part is this is a legal and ethical way for you to positively impact your credit. So obviously you're going to watch the first video here, which is an overview. It's going to take you through, help you understand how the whole process works. Then the next thing you're going to do is figure out how you can pull your own credit. You can get it from all three major bureaus. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Once you pull your credit, then what you're going to do is you're going to freeze the secondary bureaus. Again, it's going to walk you through how to do that all on your own. You're going to figure that process out because the video is going to walk you through exactly how to do that. Okay. Then once you go do that, of course, they give you all the information for the bureaus that you need. They give you a PDF so you can follow along and do exactly what you need to do. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to check for the errors, or also known as the things that you want removed off of your credit. And again, they're going to show you the dispute process so you could start doing that. Step number 4, you're going to start that dispute process. Again, they're going to walk you through that. Again, it's a 6-minute video. This is simple and easy stuff, guys, that you could figure out exactly how to do. And the videos are going to walk you through it step by step. All the forms you need. They even provide you with the forms. Makes it really simple so you don't have to go anywhere. It's all right here, okay? And then lastly, okay, once you go through that form process, all the forms are right there, okay? Step number 5, credit utilization. They're going to teach you and show you how you could properly utilize things like credit cards and, the money in your bank and how you're spending your money so you could increase your credit. It's not just about removing things off of your credit. It's about spending your money the right way. So they're going to talk about credit utilization. Very important piece, okay? And then step number 6, how to build your credit, similar to what I was sharing with you there. So step 5 and 6 work really, really well together. So you could impact that credit utilization, and you could start spending your money the right way. You could start paying off your debt the right way. And then lastly, in conclusion, they're going to summarize it all together and make sure that you stay on the right path to increasing your credit and getting stuff off of your credit report so you could get your credit, whether it be from poor to fair or fair to good or even good to great. Trust me, my friend, I went through this process myself and it does 100% work. You just need to go do it. So if you're looking at myEcon and their credit repair, don't hesitate for a second. Don't spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars to pay somebody else to do this. You can do this yourself. And trust me, if I can do it, I know you can do it too. So link in the description down below if you're ready to get started with myEcon. Send me a text message if you have any questions. And of course, if you want to see any more information about myself or my team or what we do and how we are the largest and fastest growing team inside of myEcon, that link is also in the description down below. Hope you got value from this video. If you made it to this point in the video, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, ring that bell and get notified anytime I'm putting out new content for myEcon or just here on my channel so you could be the first to know. Trust me, my friend, it's much better to be on the inside than it is standing there on the outside looking in. So get on in and I'll be in touch with you the second you join and get you all the information you need to get out there and go crush it with myEcon. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next video. Take care.